Hi everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Joy's food channel. I hope everyone's doing amazing. Today is another tasty Ghana egg stew recipe. So if you are interested in knowing how to prepare this, please keep on watching. Let's get started. So I am going to heat up oil, and this time I'm just using rapeseed oil. So when it is hot, I am going to add in sliced onions, and as you know me by now, we really love onions in our family, so there is a lot of onions, but you don't have to add that much. Now I am going to stir and let it fry until translucent, so anywhere between 5 to 7 minutes. In the meantime, I am going to blend my garlic, ginger, onion and pepper with just a little bit of water. Next, I am going to add my tomato puree or tomato paste. Then I am going to stir it and let it fry for about 10 minutes on a medium heat to low. Next, I'm going to add some dry thyme. You can also use fresh thyme if you prefer. And then I am also going to add some dried rosemary, and again, please use the fresh one if that's what you prefer. Then I am also going to add 1 bay leaf and again stir and let it fry for a further 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I'm going to add my pepper mixture, so the pepper, garlic, ginger, okay, and then I am going to stir, and then I am going to cover and let it fry for about 15 to 20 minutes on a medium heat. Guys, in the meantime, I have cut my tomatoes, removed the seeds and put it in my blender. You can also decide to just add the fresh tomatoes just like that, but I always prefer to blend it. It is just a personal preference, guys. You don't have to do it. And then I'm going to pour the tomatoes in the pot. And guys, you know, sometimes I do not always use fresh tomatoes. I use plum tomatoes or tomato sauce or even chopped tomato. So stir it, then cover and let it cook for about 25 minutes, 25-30 minutes on a medium heat. Hey guys, this is me again. This is after 25 minutes, and you can see the stew's color has changed. So I'm just going to give it a little stir, yeah, to make sure it doesn't burn underneath. So now I am going to add the seasoning. Very simple. I'm just going to add some food seasoning, which is Maggi powder. Please do not add it if you don't like it. And then I am also going to add my curry powder. Sometimes I also use garam masala, which I think tastes almost the same in my opinion. Then I'll go ahead and add smoked paprika powder. By now you know it's one of my favorites. If you don't have the smoked one, please use the paprika powder. It tastes almost the same. And then I am going to give it a stir. And by the way, if there are any other seasoning you like and that you want to add to your egg stew, please go ahead and add them. Yeah, this is just the basic ones I like to use. Then I'm going to cover and let it cook for a further 10 minutes, and then I'm going to add in my eggs. So I have beaten about 7 eggs here. Please feel free to add more or less. And then stir it gently, and we are going to cover it to create a steam inside the pot, okay, and we'll wait for about 10 minutes on a medium heat. Hey guys, this is me. I'm back. Look at this wonderful egg stew, and it smells so good. So now I'm going to stir it gently. As you can see on the right side of the video that I'm boiling eggs. So since I'm going to also add boiled eggs, I did not add too many eggs in the stew. So stir, cover for a further 7 minutes, and then we're going to add our sardines. This is John West sardines and mackerel. If you are in the UK, you know this is the best ever tasting sardines. So add it, so 2 of each. If you do not like sardines, please use mackerel only, or if you don't like mackerel, please only use the sardines. But if you are like me and you like both, go ahead, don't be shy, add both. And then stir gently. Okay, so we are getting to the end of our recipe, and as you can see, the recipe is very easy and so delicious, I promise you. So now I am also going to add my boiled eggs. Yes, I'm a true Ghanaian. I love my eggs everywhere, in everything and every day. I also decided to add some scallions or spring onions. You can also use the green bell pepper or any color you like. Then stir gently and let it cook for a further 10 minutes on the lowest heat possible. And there you have it. This is my Ghana eggs stew with sardine, and it tastes amazing. My plantain is also cooking on the side. So now let me show you how it looks like. Look at this fantastic stew, and guys, it tastes amazing. Trust me, you really need to try it. It's absolutely delicious with yam, with boiled plantain. As I'm going to eat it, it goes well with white rice, really, with a lot of things. So please try it, you are not going to be disappointed. So guys, this is the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, thumbs up, share my video, and don't forget to turn your notification bell on and you won't miss any of my videos. Bye, take care.